Racing just started, we have successor. Break quickly restart for Evermore. And on the outside comes a touch of glass. Moving up now is Pegasus. And then next on line is Boyo Tonic Water. Sound Value. And on the outside, Savory Champagne is Fit Fire and a post. Then next on line is Flash Away. Perfection while Bonita Blanco is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have Pegasus by about 4 lengths for Evermore in second. Successor now moving up to take third. Touch of Glass Boyo and on the outside Tonic Water and a post comes next. Bonita Blanca, Flash Away, Sound Value. Then next online now is Spitfire, Savory Champagne, second last while Perfection now racing in last and the far turn. We have Pegasus by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Successor, slowly but surely now coming closer and improving. Down into this Boyo, moving up on the outside, Tonic Water, and opposed, and on the outside comes Flash Away. And as they swing for home, the lead now belongs to Successor by about 3 lengths. Pegasus in second, and opposed on the outside. Last 75 meters. We have Successor, followed now by Unopposed, and finally Successor. Unopposed Pegasus, then comes Flash Away, Boyo and Bonita Blanco.